Do you love PayPal money as much as I do? Well, you're in for a treat because we will be earning PayPal money for today's video about making money online. You don't have to worry because today's method is beginner friendly, so you don't need prior experience or skills to do this. This is also available worldwide, so wherever you are right now in the world, whatever continent you're in right now, you can do this. Also, I advise you not to skip any part of this video because if you do, you might miss an important detail, and if you miss an important detail, you might end up not earning anything at all, and we don't want that, okay? So sit back, relax, and wait until this video ends because as soon as this video ends, you can then start earning PayPal money with this method. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mac Money, where I teach you guys the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever I post new content like this. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Now let's go back. Alright, so for the first part of this video, I want you guys to go over to this website right here. This is paypal.com. Now, I want you to set your payment method first before we proceed to the website. If you already have an account, then you don't need to do this, but if you don't have one yet, then go to paypal.com and create a new account. A lot of you guys love PayPal money, so we're gonna do this. But if you don't like PayPal, and if PayPal doesn't work in your country, which is less likely because this is available worldwide, well, I want you to go over to google.com and search for online bank account in my country. Again, online bank account in my country, just like this one. So whatever comes up in your Google search, go with that, or whatever you're comfortable with. Now let's proceed to the next part, which is the website. Now this is the website right here. So I won't be explaining what is written right here because what's important is at the bottom of this page. So let's go there right now, scroll to the very bottom of this page, and then under About, just beneath this, click on Be Paid to Participate. Yep, click on that and then we'll be redirected to this page right here. You can see that you can get paid to test websites and apps. And then right here, there are 3 steps in order to do this. First of all, register and earn money by completing the short and easy form on this page and join their global community of user testers. Second, interact with a web or mobile app or other type of digital asset and speak your thoughts and emotions out loud as you do so and answer a few questions. User testing is fun. And third, get paid via PayPal. Once your test results have been approved, depending upon the user test project, you can be paid $5, $10, $15, $20, or other amounts. You can earn even hundreds of dollars depending on the project and if you have done a lot of them already. Some of their projects pay as much as $90 for having fun expressing opinions while navigating the web. Now before we sign up, I want you to know that you need to have this kind of software or hardware, okay? If you're enjoying the video so far, go ahead and smash the like button and hit subscribe. Okay, now let's go back. So if you're gonna use your laptop or your desktop, you will need this. So you will need a Mac with OS X 10.13 or higher, or you need a PC with Windows 7 or higher. You need to have standard browsing program installed on your device such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Internet Explorer, and more. You need to have a microphone, but you don't need to worry because some tests don't need microphones. So this is just in case if they need you to record your review with your voice. For some tests, you will also need a webcam. The Userlytics recorder installed on your desktop device. And then this one right here, if you're gonna use your mobile phone, for mobile tests, you will only need a mobile phone using Android 5.0, Lollipop or higher, or an iPhone with an iOS 11 or higher. So you need to have a standard browsing program installed on your device such as Chrome or Safari. You also need a microphone, which you won't need to worry about that because microphones on our phones are already installed internally. For some tests, you will also need to use your front camera. And then right here, you need the Userlytics app for Android or iOS installed on your mobile device. You can get this on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. Now, this website, by the way, is userlytics.com. Again, this is userlytics.com. That is userlytics, not lyrics. Some people mistakenly type lyrics instead of lytics, so take note of that. Before we proceed to the sign up method, I want you guys to comment down below and tell me where you come from so that in the future I can make more videos about making money online that'll work in your region. Right now, let's proceed to the sign up process, and what you'll need to do is just put your email address right here and then tick these two boxes right here and then click on sign up. After that, you will see this. Your account has been successfully created. Please check your email for your login details. If you do not receive any email in your inbox, please check your spam folder because you might find it there. Now make sure you enter a valid email address in order to create an account. Now if you go over to gmail.com, the email will look like this. Dear tester, thank you for registering. Please use this link to confirm your account. This link will only be available for the next 24 hours. Now what you'll need to do is click on this, and then you'll be redirected to this page right here where you have to complete your sign up details. So add in here your first name, your last name, and then here on country you can see that this is available worldwide. Okay, so if you scroll down below, you can see that there are a lot of countries here. So most likely you will find your country right here. And then after that, enter your date of birth and then your PayPal email address. Now, I already told you that you need to create a PayPal account. So if you don't have one yet, again, go and create one before you proceed here, okay? Then select your gender right here, create a password, and repeat your password and then submit. Now, once you have created an account, Userlytics will then send you emails afterwards, okay? So, just like this is already my 21st task. As you can see, the category is website testing. The website would be Amazon.com, and the estimated compensation is 5 to 10 minutes only. And then right here, you can see that the payout rate is $80. And as you can see here, that there are only 3 steps. Okay, this is really easy. You know what? This might even take me less than 5 minutes to do. And with these 3 steps, I will gain $80. Again, the payout rate depends, okay? So what we'll need to do is follow all of the steps right here, which is going to be really easy, as you can see. First of all, open a browser tab and visit Amazon.com. I can just click this right here, and then I'll be redirected to Amazon.com. Okay, now that we're here, let's go back. And for the second step, take a screenshot of the official Amazon homepage. So right now, let us take a screenshot. And after taking a screenshot, let's proceed to the third and final step. Okay, that's just it. Please search for this product and take a screenshot. So let me just copy this. And then let's go back to Amazon.com. I'm gonna paste it here and click on search. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of results right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click this one, this HP 14 laptop with AMD Ryzen 5. Let me click on that. And then I'm gonna take a screenshot of this product right here. Now, once you're done with all of this, you will send it to userlytics.com, and then they will pay you $80 straight to your PayPal account. It's that easy, okay? So as you can see, this is a really easy way in making money online by using userlytics.com, and you will receive PayPal money, which is really great. Let me just remind you that every person receives different tasks every time. So you might receive a high-paying task or you may receive a low-paying task. But regardless, this is a great side hustle because all you have to do is just follow simple steps. And by following simple steps, you will earn money. Now here on Mr. Mac Money, we aim to help you guys earn money online. So if ever you have suggestions on what you want me to do next, what videos do you want me to focus on? Also, next week, watch out for my videos because I will be giving away $20 to 2 persons. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you will know whenever I upload that video, okay? Also, let me know in the comment section if how are you doing during this pandemic, because I want to know about you guys. I just don't want to go out here and just upload videos, but I also want to know about you, my audience. I want to know if you're doing fine, okay? And that's it. If you have learned something from this video and if you like it, please leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe. don't forget the notification bell. And as always, if you have comments or suggestions, leave them in the comments section down below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!